This problem, we want to solve it using the quadratic formula. First thing we need to do is identify our a, b, and c. A is whatever number is in front of your x squared, which is 5. B is whatever number is in front of your x, which is -2. And c is your constant term, the -1. Remember our quadratic formula is x equals -b plus or minus square root of b squared minus 4ac all over 2a. Now I'm going to go through, and everywhere I have a variable, I'll put in a set of parentheses. Everything else remains exactly the same. And now I'll plug in what I identified. B I said was -2. So I'll put a -2 everywhere I have B. A I said was 5, so I'll put a 5 in everywhere I have an A. And C was -1. Now negative becomes a +2, plus or minus. -2 squared is 4. -4 times 5 is -20 times a -1 gives us a +20 over 10. So we've got 2 plus or minus square root of 24 over 10. And you always try to simplify your radicals at any step. 24 is 2, 4, 8 times 3 over 10. Remember with square roots, we're looking for a pair of something. Here's a pair of 2, so this pair of 2 is going to come out in front as a single 2. And we're left with 2 times 3 inside, which is 6, all over 10. Now the 3 number rule says if you can divide this number, and this number by saying number, do so. They're all divisible by 2, so we've got 1 plus or minus 1 square root of 6 over 10, or 5. Let's try that again. There we go. Or simply 1 plus or minus square root of 6 over 5. And that's our answer.